Are you prepared to step up your next adventure? 10 incredible camping devices that will totally transform your outdoor experience are featured in this video. You may be an avid hiker, a weekend camper, or someone who simply enjoys being outside. These essential camping supplies are made to make your vacation safer, easier, and much more enjoyable. Everything you need to prepare for 2025 is on this list, from solar-powered technology and portable cooking equipment to lightweight survival items and cutting-edge outdoor devices. Immediately, let's get started. A dependable power source is crucial for keeping your electronics charged and working during outdoor excursions. The Wonquo Power Bank with solar charger is here. Designed to provide fast, efficient charging with its 36,800 mAh battery and 5 volts at 3.1 amperes fast charging capability, which delivers a charging speed 50% faster than earlier models. Featuring dual USB outputs, it allows users to charge 2 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for smartphones, tablets, and other USB gadgets. This power bank offers 2 charging modes, either via an outlet or solar energy, with a green indicator for solar charging and blue for USB charging. It also includes a built-in flashlight with 3 modes, steady, SOS, and strobe, making it invaluable during emergencies. With a rugged design, it's IP64 waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, ensuring durability in various outdoor conditions. Equipped with advanced safety protection systems, this solar power bank prevents overcharging, short circuits, and more, ensuring both your device and the charger stay safe and reliable throughout your adventures. After a long day outdoors, nothing compares to the refreshing experience of a shower in nature. Introducing the Mariko Portable Camping Shower, a practical solution for maintaining cleanliness while camping, hiking, or traveling. This versatile kit comes with a 6,000 ml rechargeable shower pump and a foldable 5-gallon bucket, delivering continuous operation for up to 180 minutes. The shower head features 3 water modes and a convenient hook for easy hanging. Equipped with an LED display, it provides real-time water temperature readings between 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a safe showering experience. The bottom suction pump design filters out impurities, while its quiet motor guarantees a peaceful environment. The Type-C charging interface offers multiple charging options, from car USB outputs to mobile power sources. This portable shower is lightweight, easy to carry, and ideal for outdoor adventures, beach trips, pet baths, or even washing cars. A reliable companion for all your hygiene and cleaning needs on the go. A reliable, lightweight sleeping bag is crucial for a comfortable and restful sleep during outdoor adventures. Meet the Villi Lightweight Compact Camping Sleeping Bag. Perfect for spring, summer, and autumn camping. Made from durable 210T polyester with a soft, skin-friendly lining and stereotyped cotton filling. It provides warmth and water resistance in temperatures ranging from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The adjustable semicircular hood ensures your head stays warm in cooler climates. Designed with anti-snag 2-way zippers and a full-length draft tube, this sleeping bag offers ease of use, allowing you to vent it or open it fully as a blanket. Its generous rectangular shape provides enough space for easy movement, making it ideal for anyone up to 6 feet tall. Weighing only 3.52 pounds, this sleeping bag is ultra-lightweight and comes with a travel-friendly compression bag, making it highly portable and easy to pack. Whether for hiking, camping, or expeditions, this sleeping bag combines comfort, warmth, and convenience. Having a reliable cookware set is essential for any outdoor adventure, ensuring you can prepare meals with ease and efficiency. The Weskini Camping Cookware Mess Kit is designed to meet all your cooking needs while camping, hiking, or picnicking. This non-stick, lightweight pot, pan, and kettle set are made from high-quality anodized aluminum and food-grade silicone, ensuring it is non-toxic, high-temperature resistant, and easy to clean. Its quick heat transfer saves both time and fuel, making meal preparation a breeze. This versatile set includes multifunctional camping sporks made of stainless steel, which serve as a spoon, fork, bottle opener, and can opener, enhancing your outdoor dining experience. The silicone collapsible coffee filter allows you to enjoy delicious hand-brewed coffee wherever you are, adding a touch of comfort to your journey. Designed for 2 to 3 people, the pots and pans can be used over an open fire, making them perfect for various outdoor activities. The entire set nests together, packed into a mesh bag for easy carrying and space-saving convenience, making it an essential addition to your outdoor gear. Transporting heavy loads with ease and convenience is essential for any outdoor activity or gardening project. Introducing the Villi Collapsible Wagon, an excellent solution for those needing a reliable and portable utility cart. With an enlarged 225 pounds capacity, this wagon offers 10.7 cubic feet of storage space, making it perfect for hauling everything from gardening supplies to picnic gear. It easily outmatches standard suitcases in capacity, allowing you to pack for a full day of fun in the sun. Equipped with wider 4-inch wheels and a unique anti-skid pattern, this heavy-duty wagon can tackle various terrains, including grass and rough surfaces, while the dual brakes keep it stable when stationary. Its collapsible design allows it to fold down to nearly half the size of typical wagons, fitting seamlessly into your closet or car trunk. The flexible telescoping handle adjusts for different users, and the tear-resistant Oxford fabric is durable and easy to clean. No assembly is needed, ensuring you can set it up in seconds. Villi also offers excellent customer service for any inquiries.